Hello everyone, and welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, we'll dive into the best guitar picks, one of the best guitar picks available for acoustic and electric guitar enthusiasts alike. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned guitarist, this guide will help you understand why these picks stand out. Let's get started. Product features: 0.7 medium gauge. The D'Addario 1 cap 4 picks come with a medium gauge of 0.7, making them versatile for both strumming and articulate picking. Whether you're strumming chords on an acoustic or picking melodies on an electric guitar, this thickness offers a balanced sound. Natural feel and warm tone. Made from premium quality celluloid, these picks provide a natural feel that guitarists love. The material also produces a warm, fat tone, ideal for achieving rich sound quality. Comfortable playing design. The standard shape of these picks ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy for players of all skill levels to enjoy long practice sessions without hand fatigue. Eco-friendly packaging. D'Addario cares about the environment. Each package includes 10 picks, designed with minimal waste and a focus on reducing environmental impact. Perfect gift for guitarists. These picks aren't just practical, they're thoughtful gifts too. Suitable for acoustic, electric, and bass guitar players, they are a must-have accessory for musicians of all ages and skill levels. Pros. Versatile thickness. The medium gauge works well across various playing styles, making it a great all-rounder. Superior material. Premium celluloid enhances tonal quality and ensures durability, even with regular use. Ergonomic design. Standard shape provides comfort and stability, minimizing hand strain during extended play. Environmentally conscious packaging. Minimal waste packaging shows D'Addario's commitment to sustainability. Value for money. With 10 picks in a single package, these are affordable and durable guitar accessories. Cons. Limited thickness options. While the 0.7 gauge is versatile, players preferring extremely thin or thick picks might need alternative options. Smooth surface. The celluloid material can be slightly slippery for those who sweat while playing. The D'Addario 1 cap 4 guitar picks are an excellent choice for guitarists who value quality, comfort, and sustainability. Their medium gauge, premium celluloid construction, and eco-friendly packaging make them stand out in the market. Whether you're looking to enhance your strumming, achieve articulate picking, or gift a fellow guitarist, these picks deliver on all fronts. For pricing and more details, check the link in the description of our video. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product for more reviews and insights into the best gear for musicians.